Hi fighters! Welcome! My name is Hail and for today I'll show you how you can set up your MetaMask wallets, add your DeFi tokens, and join the lottery. I just want to put a quick disclaimer out there. This video is not for any financial advice. This is just an instructional video, so make sure to do your own research. But without further ado, please bring out your laptops or your phones and let's get started. So to start, open your App Store or Google Play depending on your phone. And for the search, you have to search MetaMask wallet. So for the icon of the app, it's a fox. So if you see that, that's the correct app. For me, I only have to update my app, but you might have to install yours. Now let's open the app. As you can see, I secured mine with a Face ID. Okay, now click the three lines at the top left and click Settings. After that, click Network, and at the bottom, you'll see Add Network. Here, for the network name, all you have to do is put Binance Smart Chain, and for the RPC URL, go to academy.binance.com and all the data is there. All you have to do is copy paste the RPC URL and go back to your MetaMask wallet and paste it. For the chain ID, let's double check. It's 56, and for the symbol, it's capital BNB. The block explorer is optional, so you don't need to put that. As you can see, we already have our BNB in our account. The next step is to press Add Tokens. And for the token address, I already have it saved on my notes. So all you have to do is copy paste it as well because it's quite long. So here, I'll just copy it, go back to my MetaMask wallet and paste it. So for the token symbol, it's DEFY in all caps and the token of precision is 18. Here my balance has reflected, and now let's go to browser. All you have to do is go to app.defi.io, and at the upper right corner you'll see Connect Wallet. I'll just press that and you can see my balance has reflected as well. I have 100 tickets, and all I have to do now is choose my arena. So you can scan through the arenas and just press join if you chose one. So that's pretty much it. So I hope you learned something and enjoy!